Alright, hello everybody, this is Regan. Welcome to our mini forum live stream. Yeah, this is the special live stream for our newest release product, the mini forum AI X1 Pro. Yeah, so this is I'm so excited to be here and beyond thrilled to introduce you this mini forum AI X1 Pro. It's a spectacular upgrade from our best sell of AS370 in 2024. So it's gonna be releasing around March 6th. So you're probably gonna be so excited about this. And today we gave you a really good coupon if you hear enough, right? So we're gonna give you $50 coupon directly sent to your email. So to make sure if you're interested in this product, make sure you receive that $50 coupon, guys. This is definitely the groundbreaking mini PC that redefines the boldness of what compact computer can do. So firstly, we can look at the outside. Let's kick things off. Check out the AI X1 Pro appearance. It's a metallic silver finish, gives it a modern and sleek look, making it a stylish addition to any setup, measuring just 7 inches times 7 inches. Look at this. Okay, it's really sleek and really compact. Only 7 inches. All right. So and about the thickness, it's just about 1.9 inches high. So do a comparison of a can of a Coke, a Pepsi. I'm sorry, this is a Pepsi. I'm sorry of the Coke fans. Yeah, so this is only half height of that Pepsi, right? So it's really thin, and you can literally take it with you anywhere into your backpack, into your suitcase, from your office to your home and to your living room and to wherever you want to travel. Take this with you. It's really compatible and it's really easy to take away, right? And whether you're a digital nomad constantly on the move or working from a coffee shop around the world, or a gamer who loves taking their setup to a friend place or epic gaming section, this mini PC Portability is definitely the game changer. So it's so easy to carry around, fitting snugly into your backpack or bag without adding much of a bunk. Okay, so we add today we have added a really important ports in there, which is the Alkalink ports. So the Alkalink is a technology that's really a high-speed interface standard that's a game changer for both gamers and the creative profession. It can transfer data at an astonishing speed up to 25 gigabit per second per line. With multiple lines, and the total bandwidth can be extremely high. With the Alkalink, what makes the Alkalink so fast is the ability to support the pure PCIe protocol. In the transmission mode, there's no data loss. The PCIe is a high-performance serial bus standard, and the Alkalink takes full advantage of its capability. By eliminating data loss, the Alkalink ensures that all the data sent between the mini PC and external devices, like your external graphic card, eGPU, right? The transmission speed is really fast. When you connect to the eGPU, the AI X1 Pro via the Alkalink ports, it can unlock up to 90% of the eGPU's performance. For gamer, it is definitely the dream come true. Imagine playing the Cyberpunk 2077 with the beauty, smooth frame rate, realistic visual, and zero lag during the intense action scene. The Alkalink enabled eGPU connection makes it possible for creative profession. Video editor can preview high-definition footage in real time, 3D models, and can handle complex projects with ease. And a graphic designer can render their design and lighting speed. And also we have the GPU dock in our website as well. You can check out store.miniforum.com for the eGPU dock if you're looking for those as well, right? And also we add a new technology into our PC, which is the fingertip unlock technology. So is the security that's a major concern for today's digital age, and the AI X1 Pro has you covered with these fingerprint unlock features. With just simple touch of your finger, you can quickly securely access your device. No more struggling to remember the password or worrying about unauthorized access to your important files and project. It's a convenient security way to protect your digital lives, right? So you can just unlock your PC by pressing your fingertip on there. So that is a new add-on. It's really good. And also we have the built-in adapter. So for those who don't know what adapter is, it's a really thick chunk of in your product, in your power line. So we already add up into the PC already. So you don't have to carry that bunk anyway. So it's make it more mobile, more easy to carry, and the power line is just a small two-footage line, right? Hello guys, thank you for joining. This is the Minisforum special live. We're introducing our newest release product, AI X1 Pro. It's gonna be released in the March 6th, okay? So if you're interested in this product, and you can subscribe to our product page, leave your email there, you will receive the $50 coupon. All right, let's go ahead and check out our audio experience, immersive sound experience. The AI X1 Pro doesn't skip on the audio quality either. It's equipped with the dual noise cancelling microphone. As you can see in the in this camera, you can see a little too tiny black spot in there, right? So it's the noise cancelling microphone and the built-in speaker. The microphone are highly sensitive, able to pick up your voice clearly even in the noisy environment like blasting office or a crowded coffee. The speaker, on the other hand, can deliver rich and clear sound. Whether you are listening to music, watching a movie, or participating in a video conference, you will be thread to a high-quality audio experience. When combined with the artificial intelligence, you can see there is a Copilot AI button. When you click on that button, the audios, you can just record your audios, take that, summarize your key point, suggest an action item. This AI Copilot AI will just definitely do the job for you. It's allowed you to focus fully on the discussion without having any worry about taking notes or that. So it's a really convenient way. It's a really good way to increase your productivity. It's really worth to do that, right? And also we check out our performance. We're using the graphic cards dominating the game scenes. The gamers are in of the trade of the AMD Radeon A90M graphic card in the AI X1 Pro. It up to 45% faster than competitor, which means you can play the latest AAA games as a maximum setting. Games like Call of Duty, PUBG Battleground will run smoothly. I have tried those games in this PC, can run over just around 200 FPS. Is really high frequency, right? The high frame rate and the stunning visuals, and if you want to take your gaming to the next level, the Octa-Link ports, it will definitely allow you to connect to an external GPU card for even more immersive 4K or 8K gaming experience, right? And our AI X1 Pro is using the AMD Ryzen AI HS370 processor. This processor is not only efficient in terms of power consumption, but also offers outstanding performance. The real highlight is the 50 TOP NPU, right? So for those who do not know NPU is, let me a little bit brief introduce. The NPU, or Natural Processing Unit, is specifically designed for artificial intelligence tasks, right? So it's an AI age, so you definitely need that. So unlike the traditional CPU or GPU, which are general purpose processors, the NPU is optimized for natural network computation. The 50 TOP's NPU in the AI X1 Pro here can perform 50 trillion operations per second. Wow, this high speed processing power is definitely the game changer for AI workload. For AI developer and enthusiastic, it's a mean powerful AI acceleration. You can support the local deployment of the large-scale model like DeepSeek. Yeah, the DeepSeek model such as DeepSeek R1, 7-bat or 14-bat can deploy locally into the AI X1 Pro. This will definitely reduce the reliance on the cloud, enhancing the computation efficiency and the data security. You no longer have to worry about the stay very busy, all that issue, or potential privacy risks associated with cloud-based processing. In the DeepSeek local deployment speed test with a 32 gig times 2 memory during the LM Studio 039, the AI X1 Pro shows great performance. High memory configuration like 96 gig also lead to improved performance, which potential to handle more complex AI tasks smoothly. Video editor can use AI-powered video enhancement tools to automatically adjust the color, sharpness, contrast, saving hours of manual task tweaking. Graphic designer can leverage AI to generate design ideas, explore different color patterns, and automate repetitive design tasks like 3D models can speed up their process, creating complex geometries and texture with the help of AI. Alright, and also check out the AX1 Pro can also boost impressive space and seamless multitasking. It features with a DDR5 5600 SODIMM memory, supporting up to 48 gigabit times 2. This means you can run multiple heavy-duty applications simultaneously without any slowdown. Whether you have the video editor software, graphic design tools, and a dozen browser tabs open, the AX1 Pro can handle it all with ease. With 4TB x 3 M.2 2280 PCIe for the OSSD slot, you will have ample space for all your game, project, and medias. With the dual USB 4 ports. You can see here we have a USB 4 port in the front, and also we have another USB full function USB 4 in the back. Okay, so those are two for your, you can transfer the data with the blasting fast speed up to 40 gigabit per second. You can think about it, can transfer like a 10 gigabit movie in just about 5 seconds. Really amazing. And it's versatile for all the diverse user needs. So you can use it for AI development and edge computing. The AX1 Pro is an ideal device for AI developer and those involving the edge computing. The powerful NPU and the support for local AI mode development make it the top choice. Edge computing, which is a distributed computing architecture, benefits greatly from the AX1 Pro. Instead of sending data all the way to the cloud for processing, the AX1 Pro can handle data locally and processing it locally, right? This reduces the data transfer latency and the bandwidth burden, while also enhancing the data security and the privacy. For example, in the smartphone surveillance system, the AX1 Pro can analyze the camera footage locally, immediately detect any abnormal behaviors, and send the alert without having to rely on the cloud service. Right, and also it's high performance in entertainment and gaming. For gamers and entertainment enthusiasts, the AX1 Pro offers a world portability. The AMD Radeon A90M graphic card can provide excellent gaming performance for the mid-range gaming, and with the option to connect to the external GPU graphic card via the Oculus ports, you can play the really high-end games, can enjoy a top-notch gaming experience. It also supports 8K display output with a high hertz or 4K videos playback, delivering the immersive home entertainment experience. And also is really efficient for office work. In the office remote work, the AX1 Pro is really reliable companions. The built-in speaker and the microphone ensures the clear audio and during the video conferences. The fingertip recognition function integrated with the Windows Hello offers the convenience and the two secure login method. It also supports the multiple monitor output with the has the wireless connectivity options that provide ample storage and also making it suitable for handling complex office tasks. And really, it is stand out from the competition. When you compare to competitor like B-Link SER9 Pro, the AX1 Pro has several distinct advantages. It offers more flexible memory expansion with the DDR5 SODIMM x2 supporting up to 96 GB as I mentioned before, while the SER9's only limited expandability on the onboard memory. The AX1 Pro also has more storage interfaces with the 3M.2 2280 NVMe SSD slot compared to the SER9 has the fewer interface. In terms of wireless connectivity, the AX1 Pro has the support of Wi-Fi 7 and the Bluetooth 5.4, providing faster, more stable network connection, while the SER9 only supports Wi-Fi 6, right, and the Bluetooth 5.2. Right, the video's output of the AX1 Pro is more powerful with the HDMI 2.1 FRLX plus times 1 DP 2.0, and also we have the USB 4 times 2, enabling the 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 60 output, right? So now we can check out those ports in our device here. So firstly, you can see here we have 2 USB, and also there is a USB 4 ports, and also there's audio jack. Here we have the Copilot button here, and don't miss that two noise cancelling microphone. Here's a little tiny black spot here, and look at the side. We have the SD card reader here. So if you are a cameraman, so if you are doing with the video editing stuff, so you can just insert your SD card into there directly, so you don't have to worry about forgetting bring those. It's really at your convenience when you're working, right? So and look at the back. Wow, we have lots of ports that is really powerful. Firstly, we have another USB ports that connect to your daily peripheral. So here we have the Oculink ports, which provide really fast speed, and another full function USB 4 and the DP 2.0 and the HDMI 1, and also another really stable RJ45 Ethernet ports. So you can imagine you can actually connect at least 3 monitors at the same time, with the HDMI, DP 2.0, and the USB 4. So you can provide the multi-monitor, offering that convenience to your working or your gaming, right? Imagine that is a super fun, super convenience way to work and or play. So this is definitely the best mini PC you can find in 2025. This is the Miniforums. We've been doing this mini PC business for over 10 years, so we really giving you a really best price and the best offer of all the really good features, right? So this here are the really amazing deal for all for watching here. So first, you can subscribe to our Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For you to follow us on Facebook, you can stay up to the latest news and the product update. And if you are subscribed to the product page, so whether you're gonna buy it or not, we're gonna send you that $50 coupon directly to your email, right? So if you want it, you can use that $50. If you don't want it, just leave it over there. But you definitely want to try it, because we offer 30-day free trial and 3 to 7 day free shipping, and also we give you 2 years warranty for everything in our website in this live stream. All right, so don't forget to check out the store.miniforum.com. There are a lot of PC waiting there. So not only the AX1 Pro, we have a lot of gaming PC or office, enterprise user. You can consider about MS01, MS-A1. The Miniforum AI X1 Pro is a truly revolutionary device. It's combined powerful performance, innovative features, and also sleek design to meet the diverse need of a user. Whether you are into the AI development, gaming, creative work, or office tech, this mini PC has something to offer. So what are you waiting for? So next, we're gonna try using the local deploy, the DeepSeek and the AMUSE AI to show some AI features. Now we cut into a video, and we're gonna set up real quick. All right. 先视频。嘿。 the DeepSeek in local. So, but we can our AI X1 Pro can support up to 40 bits the model, right? So it's even faster runs the 7-bit model. It really depends on what you are looking for. If you just for the daily using the 7 bits is totally enough. If you are looking for you want to run more database, want to run really big model, you can use 14-bit model, depends on yourself. So AX1 Pro can also support that. It's made a little slower little bit, but but it's local deployed. This a small mini PC can do this. It's really astonishing. All right, is there any question you want me to ask? Is there any comments? What kind of a question you want me to ask for DeepSeek? DeepSeek. Anyone have tried DeepSeek before? Has anyone ever tried DeepSeek before? It's really on the news for recently. So a lot of people are discussing about it. It's kind of giving a shock to the US market. We want to try the ability. All right. So look at the model we are running here. So it's the DeepSeek R1, still Q1 14-bit. Right, so it's really challenging for the mini PC. As you can see here, it's not that, all right? Let's go. So there is the in the community, in the AMD community, there is the post of what type of device can run different kind of a mode of DeepSeek. This internet is slow, all right? That is the internet problem. Let's go ahead and tap in some question. The DeepSeek is famous for its logic design, logic analyze. It has the DeepSeek mode. So we start with a question like this: I want to lose weight, but I don't have time to go to gym. This is a really realistic question, all right? Any way to reduce my weight? I think that's a really good question. Or in my daily life. It's a really realistic question for most of the people, right? I think a lot of people want to know the answer. Let's wait for a bit. So the convenience is the most convenience is you don't have to go to the online. It will not suffering from those local from those business for the server busy. It's that doesn't get the answer. So you can see here right now the DeepSeek is actually thinking of your question. I hope I can amplify this for you, right? So he's like a human, right? He's like, all right, this dude is asking losing weight without going to gym. That him is like means a lot. This guy is like something for real, dude. I should consider that maybe they find the traditional gym, essentially appealing. Perhaps they're looking for alternative due to time. Yeah, he's actually in your point. Thinking about your question is really like really can understand what you're thinking, trying to understand what your question is. That is the really amazing. That is the charm of DeepSeek. Is it actually tell you what he's thinking, right? He's thinking. So that is the thinking mode. That is the 14-bit model, but it's a little bit slow because it's like really is already really good performance, right? So actually we're gonna try 7 bits in later. You will see the differences, right? The database is really large for the 14-bit, and it's actually for a lot of a top 8 computer can only run 14 bits, right? So as you can see here, the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT only can run Q1 R1 distill Q1 14-bat, right? So this thing is actually over 60, over, I don't know how much, it's like, I think it's over $800, probably that. So that thing can only run about this 14-bat model here. As you can see, I don't know if you want to read all those, but it gives you this, thinking process and tell you about what he's thinking about your question and what's gonna be my reaction or what gonna be my answer gonna be. Overall, the approach should be holistic and addressing diet, active sleep, and he is giving you the really logic way of what's the answer gonna be. So focus for number one, focus on your diet. Incorporate the physical activity in your daily life. So it gives you all the options you can choose. Because you gave him some limits. Firstly, I don't want to go to gym. That is a limit for your daily life, right? So it's logic thinking start working. With this limit, what I can give you the offer. So that's really a lot of people like this, especially for students. When you're trying to solve a question, you definitely want to know the thinking process, right? You do not want to directly know the answers. A lot of AI, like ChatGPT, stuff like those, they're just giving you the answer. Not giving the processing. They're not giving you the way you're supposed to thinking, and you have to ask another question to ask them to explain. But with the deep AI, DeepSeek, you can just see the process. What are they thinking? What this dude is thinking about, and what are we gonna solve for it? So get enough sleep, manage stress, stay hydrated, avoid processed food. Okay, that's really helpful for me as well. Practice mindful eating. Ooh, what is mindful eating? Actually, I don't know about this. It's slowly savor your food, avoid overeating. Okay, avoid eating, watching TV. I'm not watching TV. I just I actually screen on my phone. Yeah, so no one can avoid that, I think. So it's really giving a really logic way. I really love DeepSeek because of all those reasons. It's giving a really logic, really conclude way to solve your question, solve your problem. Let's go another. Is there any question anybody want to ask? I will just definitely, or you can say if you ask any question related to this, it will just it will relate to the last question. All right, let's go ahead and choose another. What can I do? Those to lose 2,000 calories per day. Probably a little hard question here. We're just testing the 14 bats big model here is really big model actually. So if you want to deploy into your local PC, whatever the computer you are using, you can check out our mini forums channel here. We have a video to teach you how to do that. Yeah, so you can do it on yourself. It's really fun, and for whatever the purpose, whether you are using for working, for educational purposes, it's definitely worth to play around. It's definitely the cutting edge technology for everybody, and it's totally free. So that's why people are just talking about DeepSeek. And also, if you are a technician guy, you can also using some API to connect with DeepSeek, and it can connect with your enterprise, connect to your business. It can just personalize as the customer service. It can answer the question just immediately with like a personalized and writing a paper, stuff like that. It's kind of like a real person because it can say, this dude is thinking, all right, so I want to lose weight, but I don't have the time, blah, 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 blah. This means I need to find a way to burn calories in my daily life, but how? This guy is asking me, I don't know, bro, I'm asking you. So this DeepSeek is like a person. He's in the computer like, what? What? And specifically, and how can create a difference of 20,000 calories each day, just making a change of daily routines. This guy starts thinking, okay, is that possible? How is that possible? Okay, this dude doesn't want to go to gym. Okay, let's break it down to the process. Okay, it's really personalized. Okay, that is basically what we're trying here is the 14 batch. The DeepSeek R1 model is definitely really cutting edge model, and it's gonna be you can use it for several years. The AI will just help you to improve your productivity for a lot, guys. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and follow us, search Minisforum, and you will find our group. Join that group. There is another $30 coupon directly. You can apply to any product into our website, store.miniforum.com. And also, if you subscribe to the product page for the AX1 Pro, which gonna be released in the March 6th, guys. So don't miss that. And $50 coupon will directly send to your email, whether you're taking this or not. It doesn't really matter. We just want everybody to know there is a little tiny, small little thing. It's really sleek, really modern design that can help you to do a lot of stuff, even though if you are still using that heavy chunk of 40 liter huge PC, get rid of it. I'm just recommending if you're especially if you're a minimalized person, it has a minimalized decoration on that. Those things doesn't fit your style anymore, guys. Change to a mini PC. It's really portable, it's really easy to carry, and it's really powerful as well. Our mini forums give you a 2 years warranty. A lot of computer, a lot of electronic devices only give you a 1 year warranty. If you buy Apple, you have to pay another, I don't know, 300, something like that, to get another 1 year's Apple Care, right? So, but we want every customer, be super happy about their purchasing experience. So that's why we give you 2 years warranty. Plus, we gave you 30-day free trial for any product in our website. You can check it on yourself. We have problem monitors. We have dual screen monitor. We have eGPU dock, all the problem PC for enterprise, PC for gamer, PC for students, all that mini PC, but everything in our website is a mini, tiny things. So, but with really powerful. This is our enterprise doing. That's what our company doing, guys. So let's go ahead and look at those answers. Really good. So I really like this think mode. It gives you the way. First, I know lose weight, down, burn, blah 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 blah. So I want to lose total weight per day and the calories. This actually, he's thinking. He's called himself I remember reading some calories. It's actually reading something. The AI is actually really smart. It's really personalized. Wait, it's actually, it's like something in our brain. It's kind of, it's actually, can you just deploy Excel your stuff, your thinking process from your brain? DeepSeek is actually doing this. Yeah, it's really fun. It's actually sometimes really fun to watch. Fun to check what is he's thinking. Sometimes you can ask some ridiculous question. His reaction will be hilarious. You can try it for yourself. It's actually fun. So let's go ahead to check out those 3 aspects: the diet, exercise, and the lifestyle change. Okay. So it's something similar. It's giving the questions, stuff like that. I think that's easy. Okay. Well, I don't know because it's probably too long of the question. Let's add another mode. Mini pizza overview. How to do that. All right. So that is for 14 bats. Where's my 7 bats? I think I didn't install in this PC here. R1, so that are gonna be taking time to download it, but it's both basic things. The R1 6 batch is much faster because it has a smaller database, all that, right? Let's go ahead and try some NPU. Another thing of NPU. This is called AMUSE AI. This you can just craft images within a second. This is fast in speed, really amazing. Give you a really fast speed to generate images. Let's see how fast it is. It's already gave you some promote in there. Let's go ahead and check out what I didn't even read this. Alright, so the NPU start working, start burning on those pictures. It's generating pictures really fast speed, guys. Alright, see how fast it is. Oh, cool. And you can see the quality is really amazing as well. I really like those. So that's creation. How easy that is to create some of your personal images. You can only thing you need to ask is giving its prompt. All those pictures are really well. How do you think? Okay, so and the speed is really fast, and you don't have to ask ChatGPT. You don't have to ask them, giving me flow. Like you can just do all the localize all those. Let's go ahead and try some floating house with wings. Where was my? Wow, that's actually really cool. Oh, I love those. The images are really great, actually. See, it's like around 1 or 2 seconds it generates a new picture. It's super faster than even ChatGPT, all that, because we have NPU help to produce those stuff into your local PC, into the AX1 Pro, so don't have to upload it to the server out there, and it's really gonna be taking time. And for those designers, this is a much easier way to a much enjoyable way. Ice cream. Okay, let's do this. A mountain made of ice cream. Yeah, actually, yeah, exactly. Well, it's kind of hard question. But the picture is good. So that's actually everybody. Only thing you need to do is operating AI to do the work for you. You don't have to be smart. You don't have to join. This is like it's like a poop. I'm sorry. What a rainbow cat. See what's going on, man. Oh, that's really cute. I really love those. It's kind of creepy, but is actually fine. Yeah. So that's because I only want to show you is how fast it generates images. I'm already generated 10 images this time. It's only taking like a performance like 3 seconds. It generated like all those images with really super high quality. Right? That is our. I think as that shows all the CPU, NPU, and GPUs working. How good it is. The AX1 Pro definitely can process all the units, even like right now your PC cannot do those, right? This mini PC is gonna be a super exclusive deal into first release in the March 6th. So if you are interested in this product, and then go ahead to follow our Facebook and to check out the news, and also to subscribe to our product page. So receive that $50 coupon, man. So that $50 coupon, whether you use it or not, doesn't really matter. $50 coupon directly sent to your email. When you want to use it, or that's the benefit we offer here into this live stream. All right. So if you miss that before the release, we're gonna cancel those who didn't subscribe. That $50 you're gonna miss. bro. So no harm. So this choice is yours. And also you can check out store miniforums.com for our other devices and other stuff as well. We have the probable monitors, dual screen monitor, and also we have a lot of stuff, eGPU dock, other keyboards such. You can check out my live stream in the right corner. Go ahead to click on those and purchase from a live stream. We give you a 2 years warranty. And also we give you 30-day free trials, 3 to 7 day free shipping. No worry guys, so you can definitely purchase with confidence. So if you're interested, and go ahead to action right now guys. And thank you for watching. This is Regan. Thank you for joining our live stream. Go ahead to follow, go ahead give some likes, and stay tuned guys. Thank you for joining. We will see you next time guys. Bye.